Hello, I'm Kajari Bharadwaj from the TETR College of Business. TETR offers an undergraduate program in management and technology. The program spans across 4 years and it involves studying across 7 different countries, adhering to our ideology of learn business by doing business. Our classes are led by Ivy League professors and global CXOs such as Dr. Vinay Shawnee, professor at Harvard, Dr. Alexis Montecinos, professor at MIT, among many others, providing an unparalleled practical education experience to students. We are partnered with Canam in India, and we would urge you to apply through Canam as their team will facilitate smooth processing of your application. Kindly book an appointment with TETR College of Business through your Canam counselors to meet up with us from 19th November to 28th November on a date and time slot convenient to you. Thank you.